Okay, first we have is the present perfect. The structure is simple. So we have either we use have or has, and then we add the plus past participle. So what is participle? So basically it's third form of verb. So we have eat, ate, then eaten. So this will be the third form of verb, which is known as the past participle. Past because it's in past tense, and participle is the third form of verb. Okay, so let's choose black. So we use present perfect when time is not finished. Not finished. Or when the time is not important. So exact time is not important. Okay, you might be really confused right now. What's going on? Don't worry. It'll help you when I give you examples. Okay, example 1 is I have studied English this year. So it's present perfect, not past simple or any other, because the year is not finished. So if, for example, last year was 2025. So if I was in the middle of 2025 and I would say, I have studied English this year, that would be an example of present perfect because it was not finished. Okay, so example 2 is I have visited Paris. So I don't say when or any time. It all matters about is the experience, what I'm saying. So that's the difference between present perfect compared to past simple, for example. You don't mention the time. You just say about the experience. Okay? So a very common mistake used by everyone actually is I studied English this year. If you say in this kind of form, that would be incorrect. So from the example before, when I was talking about it was I have studied English this year, that was correct, but this one would not be considered as present perfect. So why? Because okay, it does sound finished, but it's not, because the year is still going. For example, 2026 we are in. So if I say I studied English this year, then it would be incorrect because 2026 is still going. So if you include the have, I have studied English this year, that would be correct. So always remember, present perfect is have or has plus the past participle. So let's now move on to present perfect continuous. So the structure is similar to present perfect, but there's a difference. So let's get orange. It's have or has been plus verb ending with ing. So that's the main difference between present perfect, where it was have or has plus just the past participle, okay? But in this one, it's the verb ending with ing. So when do we actually use it? You know, we talk about all this, but like, how do we know we're using it? Okay, so we use perfect continuous for an action that started in the past. For an action that started in the past. That's the key word. Past. And it is still continuing. That's the key word here. Now. Okay? Okay, here's example 1. It'll help you understand more better. So here we have is I have been studying English for 2 years. So this is a form of a sentence where it started in the past, but it's still continuing now. Why? Because. So we know the time, 2 years. So that means A, this person, I started 2 years ago. And I'm still continuing it today. Why? I have been. Yes, that makes a difference. Have been studying. Okay? Yeah, these two always remember. You look at the time and you look at for these keywords. Okay, so key difference, very important. Now listen carefully, okay? So, present perfect versus present perfect continuous. So, present perfect focuses on the result, okay? Result. For example, I have read the book. So it's done. The period the sentence was in, it's done. So this person or you, me, I have read the book. I have done it. Time is finished. Okay? The result. This is the end. Okay? But for present perfect continuous, we would say as I have been reading the book. Okay? It focuses on time and action, not the result. I suggest you to note this table down somewhere, or just remember it, or just come back to my video. If you get these both in your head, you'll never ever struggle with the difference between present perfect and present perfect continuous. Okay? Okay, quick practice time. So get like a notebook or anything, or even in your head, okay? So you do this with me, so it helps you. Okay, before we try the quick practice, let's remember the rule quickly. So if we care about the result of an action, we use present perfect. So result, we use present perfect. Simple, okay? So that is have / has plus past participle. If we care about the action or how long it's been happening, we use present perfect continuous. So let's actually get another color so it doesn't mix up. Action / duration, present perfect continuous. Okay? So it's have / has been plus verb ending with ing. Okay? Imagine this. Okay? You started working at a company in 2020 and you're still working there. Which sentence is correct? Okay? So, first one is I have worked here since 2020. Second option is I have been working here since 2020. Looks very similar, right? But no. Okay, so now let's think back to the rule. Is the action finished or still continuing? Okay, so our scenario was we have worked at a company and we're still working here. Okay, so we're focusing on the time, so the duration, not the result, right? Because it's still happening, we're still working there. So what should we use? Okay, should we use first option or second option? Okay, I'll pause, think about it. Okay, let's come back after a few seconds. Okay, it's okay if you didn't get the answer. It's okay, it takes time. Okay, slowly get it. If you got the answer, that's good. Okay. Okay, the right answer is number 2. This one, okay? I have been working here since 2020, okay? Because we're focusing about the duration, so we use, let's get another color. I have been, okay? Because both of these sentences have the time, the year. What are we talking about? Like since what? Okay, but this is the difference. I have worked. This is telling you the result. Okay, I have worked here and that's it. I don't work here anymore, but this means I am still working here since 2020. Okay, number 1 would have only been correct if you already stopped working there. Okay, but in this scenario we're still working there, so number 2 is right. If you ever get confused, just remember one thing actually. Is the action still happening? Okay, is it still happening? If it's still happening, it's present perfect continuous. If it's already happened, it's present perfect. Okay, here's a quick summary. You can take a note of this or just always come back to my video anytime and just keep looking through and eventually you'll get it, trust me. Okay, use present perfect when you care about the result of an action. Use present perfect continuous when you focus on how long the action has been happening. Remember, result is present perfect, action/duration is present perfect continuous. Keep practicing with real life examples and you'll get it faster.